Here we are, folks, 1973 Plymouth Barracuda. That is a AAR 1970 tribute car. Beautiful exterior, sassy, grassy green, as you can see there. You have the Cuda AAR decals running down the side, black matted roof, nice trim throughout the car. Beautiful chrome on the car, as you can see, the hood pins there. Dual side sport mirrors. You have your factory wheels for the Mopar on this particular one with the Goodyear Eagle GT2s. Side exhaust, as you can see right in front of the rear tire there. Nice glass throughout the car. Nice weather stripping. Trim, like I mentioned. Beautiful body on the outside. All around. Rear bumper chrome. Very nice underneath. Solid trunk. You guys can check out the photos on our website. They did a very nice job throughout the car. I'm sure you agree. Now let's check out the interior. Factory BH23 G-code car. As shown, nice weather stripping. Pinch welds are factory. All painted underneath here. And I'm showing you these areas because that's where a lot of people don't pay attention when they restore a classic car. Nice door jambs in and out. Very nice interior, as you can see. The center console. The 4-speed pistol grip manual shifter. Nice bucket seats, nice rear seats. Package tray, headliner. Dash is really good. Nice wooden steering wheel. You got all your controls here for the for your controllers, your heat and defrost. Odometers, 76,000, some change. RPM tach, gauges, and your clock. Nice dash pad. Got your sun visors, rear view mirror. Very nice on the inside as well. I'm going to fire this bad boy up. I want you guys to check it out. Fuel pump on, then start. Okay. Here's your fuel pump switch. Turn it on. Red light comes on. Fuel pump kicks in. Give it a couple pumps and let's go. The engine is cold, so give it a little bit. It's got a nice cam in it. It's a 340 motor. It is fuel injected, so I should back up a little bit and say you don't need to pump the gas at all. It's cold in the garage, guys. So she's warming up. If you need financing on this beautiful, beautiful Barracuda, guys, you will need a credit score between 630 and about 770. 8% interest rate is where it starts. Long-term, low payment options available at mgmclassiccars.com. And if your credit score is over 775, no money down options are available. Please call or text at 847-848-1850. If you need delivery, please send over your zip code and we'll get you a quote right to your driveway. Thanks for watching MGM.